feel more at home tonight with that song and your guitar?
Yeah, totally. When I found out we were playing, or dancing to a Thin Lizzy song, I was really excited. It just feels a little bit more comfortable for me.
Right.
I'm out of energy, though, so I apologize.
Okay, let's get your scores right now. Good luck.
Will the judges please reveal their scores? Carrie Ann in Arwen.